We got a little bit of snow last night, and so today we're going out and we're going to try to get a little bit of a winter landscape shot. And I have a little friend with me today. Can you say hello?
Hello.
That's my assistant, my new assistant, but actually she's not new, she's my wife. So she's going to help me do some filming maybe, and we're going to try to get some nice waterfall shots. Beautiful day. I love when winters like this. We have snow on the branches, and we're going to get down here and see if we can nail us a waterfall shot. So thanks for joining us, and we'll get to trekking. All right, well, I tried to get down the hill to get to the waterfall. That was not a great place to do it. It was a little treacherous, so I'm going to try to go down a different way, a little further downstream. So hopefully we'll have better luck. Okay, as you can see, my equipment's getting pretty wet, but still plugging along. My original plan fell through because with the snow and ice, it was just impossible for me to get to those other falls. So there's a lower fall here, and I've shot this before, but I didn't want to make a wasted trip. It's so beautiful out. I want to at least get something. And we actually came all the way down the trail, so my wife is gonna go get the vehicle and get warm and dry, and I'm gonna keep plugging on and try to get a landscape shot. Due to the water levels, I just can't get over to the other side to get up to the big waterfall, but I have a nice little cascade here, and I'm gonna try to get a shot of that. I hope you at least appreciate my effort to try to get something today, and I hope you enjoy the outing. But I'm going to actually set up here. I'm going to use the 24-70, and it should give me enough zoom to get in on this little cascade here. So I found another little path. I just don't want to give up. It's not the ideal angle for composition, but it could turn out okay. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and you never know, might get a gem out of the junk. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for putting up with me. I really planned well for this, but not well enough. So I'm not sure I got anything decent there. Poor planning on my part. I just did not anticipate the conditions being quite this treacherous. I'd been here many times before, and I just didn't recall how steep it was. And the water levels are up so high and I don't have hip waders with me. They're actually, I left them in the car, so I couldn't cross the stream to get a better angle on this large waterfall up ahead that you can't even see from here. But I hope you appreciate the effort, and sometimes things don't go as planned, and you have to make the best of the situation and use your creativity. And this shot is not going to be epic by any means, but I hope you enjoy the outing. I really appreciate you watching. I appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, take care.